So what do you do when you post something online and someone happens to drop some type of negative comment under it? In this video, I'm going over the simplest thing that you can possibly do when this happens, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one talks just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before I give you a high five and take it back because you ain't freaking subscribing to my channel yet. You post something online, someone drops a negative comment. How do you respond? Here's the thing, don't respond with anything negative. It makes no sense responding to that negative comment with a negative response. Even if that person is giving you strict criticism, you do not respond in a way where you're defending yourself and it's like,
you know what you're telling me is bullshit. You're telling me it's bullshit. I don't believe you and I will not listen to you.
Or they can be a troll and leave a nasty comment like, oh, you suck for no reason. You're a bad person at this thing that you're trying to make and we don't like it because of you trying and you just go back home and read a book. That was my worst impersonation of a troll. Don't let it affect you. Do you hear what I'm saying? Do not let it affect you. Let's say you post a YouTube video 5 minutes long, right? You spend your time explaining, editing, doing the descriptions, the tags, all of that glorious stuff that every YouTuber knows how long that takes. They are judging you based on that 5-minute video. That 5-minute video compared to how many years, how many months, how many weeks. They don't know who you are. So why let someone's negativity or opinion about you affect your whole being? That doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make shit. It will be so much energy consumption to allow Timmy from Nebraska telling you some hateful shit and then you're pissed off for the whole day just because Timmy says, hey, your videos suck. I was doing a live stream on TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok right here. And I was talking about this and the way how I delivered it was so good. It was so perfect. I do this right now for YouTube and I feel like I am chopping this thing up to pieces. I don't get it. But you know what? That's okay. This video is going to be posted up whether it looks retarded on one end or it came out beautifully on the other. I don't care. And guess what? If someone doesn't like it, okay, I'm gonna respond with positivity. That's what I'm gonna respond it with. So for the person that says, hey, I don't like your videos, or hey, you suck, you know what I'm gonna say? Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. You just gave me some watch time, bitch. Actually, you don't say that ending part. You can say it to yourself, but don't put that on the little comments and be like, hey. Don't allow someone's opinion for a 5-minute video or a 60-second video or even a 15-second video or on any platform, period, or anything that you're doing affect you because they don't know your whole story. They only saw literally 2 sentences in a book and they quick to make a judgment on that book. Does that make any sense to you? If you were to go to a library, pick up a random book, open it up, read the first 2 random sentences you happen to see and see if that book is good or not. Does that make any sense? You need to have more context in order to understand the book, or at least to some degree. Statements like, hey, I appreciate you checking out my video, or hey, thank you for watching. I would take that into accountability. If they are giving you special criticism, take it. They're coming from a good place.
But Johann, how do we know if it's criticism or if they're being just a dick?
This comes with your own judgment. You can tell when someone is being a troll based on when someone is trying to help out or someone that's being very genuine. The people who are trolling, let them laugh. And what they doing? They scratching and they sniffing. They scratching and they sniffing. My mic just fell. But they scratching and they sniffing. The next time you post up something online, no matter where it is, and someone responds to some type of negativity, respond in a positive way. If you want to win, you can't fight negative with negative. You gotta be smart. Fight the negativity with positivity. Golly, man. Content creators, man. I don't know how y'all do this shit, man. Why do people examine chips like that? Like you know exactly what to do, and you don't gotta pay attention to these motherfuckers.